Hey friends, this is Atif Opirafal and welcome to the update on SLP. On a daily time frame chart, you can see that the price on of SLP first broke out this very big and long-term down channel, then broke out another smaller down channel, by the way. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump for a while. We also broke out this very long-term resistance of $0.0021 as well, but now we have again broken it down. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that we are having a very nice support of exponential moving average 21. That was previously acting as a resistance, and now after the breakout, you can see that it is breaking as support. Therefore, there is a very high probability that soon, using the support of EMA 21, the price and may break out this long-term resistance of $0.0021. By the way, this $0.0021 has been previously breaking as support here and support here, support here, support here, and support here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared a few days ago on 8th of August 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 35%, very powerful pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared on 8th of August 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that SLP completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And so far it has pumped almost 35%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or a few months, it has been moving inside this channel. After the breakout, it was stuck inside in another down channel that we have recently broken out. And we have already crossed up the target for the breakout from this recent down channel that was here at $2.0021. But now if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, that is here at the top of the channel at $0.006. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.006 had been previously acting as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been acting as a resistance here as well, almost here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous huge falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 7.5 cents to 8 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.